Hi, my name is Andreas Wiggen and I'm a senior software engineer here at Blueye. Today I'll show you how you can generate a list of waypoints and then generate a file that you can import to the Blueye mission planner. So we'll go ahead and download a program called Q Ground Control. So just hit Q Ground Control on Google, go to the first link, head over to Downloads, and then you can find either for Windows or Mac OS. Once you have it installed, you just launch it and it will look something like this. I will just remove the example mission here. Okay, so you might have to select the map, then you go to Application Settings, scroll down to Mission Lists, and then you can see, like, I picked Google Maps in satellite. Okay, so now we are at the site and we want to explore this area. So just head over to the plan here, hit the blank survey, and place the takeoff. Then go to pattern, use the basic, and simply make a square or a triangle depending on what you want to do. Then you could see like how big it is, and everything is live updated here. You can also change the default speed to get an indication of how long it would take to finish it. So this number will not be included in the mission, but it gives you a better indication of how long it is. So now you can see this will take about 7 minutes. Okay, so if you head over to the survey panel at the right here, you can then change the spacing. If you want to have 5 meters, that depends on if you're looking using a multi-beam, or it depends on your mission what spacing you want to select. You can also change the angle of the transects. So you typically want to have straight lines. So this is I know that the heading here is approximately 22 degrees. And then you can make it slightly larger to make another lap, for instance. Okay, so once we are happy, we can just go over to the file and save as KML, and then just call it my mission and save it. So now we have generated a list of waypoints that will look like this. It's a KML file, and then we can simply share this file with the AirDrop or email or anything, and basically send it to any other device, and then send it to this iPhone. Alright, so once you have the file on the other device, you can basically just open the Blueye app from the main menu. We select settings, and then go into mission planning, then simply go to POI and import. Select the file you just got, and now we can simply just select all the points we want to include in the mission. And looking at the map, you can now see the planned mission. You can also make changes to the mission rearrange the order or add new instructions such as go to depth. And then you can also export the new mission as a JSON mission file. Then this file can also be imported again on another device or on your next dive, for instance, if you want to continue doing the same mission over and over. So yeah, that's some simple steps on how to generate points of interest, include them in the mission, and also export the mission to a file, a JSON file. Hope you enjoyed it, and good luck with the mission planner. Thank you.